Little freak after work, you know, 30th. Got my little boy. Water looks real dark in here. Ooh, that got messed up. They just... Oh, you can come over here. You think we are? Nah, I can't get to the spot over here. Feet are all getting wet. I'm doing about this. A lot of blues. You think I can? It's right here, boy. Well, little creek. I got different colors of these. It's not really in. Yeah, really in. You got something? Yeah! No! Jordan, you got a little blue. You almost left it. Let me see him. You're gonna hook him? Oh, let me see your blue.
Can I grab him?
Nice little blue. Good job. Hold on, let me catch him on camera though. There you go. Back in the water. Yeah. This is a bass. Hey, Jordan. Good thing. Hey, Jordan. I think you got a fish on. Let me catch the view.
Man, Jordan, that's two. You're beating us.
Let me see it. Check this guy out, man. Now this.
Can you hold it?
Yeah, nice. It's cool catching the little blues. I really thought it was a bat. That's a really nice blue. Yeah, let him go now. There he goes.